This wonderful poem is called Numerality.
You didn't make it, unborn child. They wouldn't let you be. To your bud of life they took a knife. It's the numerality. They didn't mean to hurt you, love. You have to understand. Forgive them for what they did. Their life was so well planned. They couldn't take you with them up the ladder of success. Money meant more to them than a child, heaven blessed. Tell me, little unborn child, what did the Creator say? Did He wrap you in His love and wipe your tears away? You hover on the edge of time. I see your faceless form. You laugh whenever children play. Oh God, for you I mourn. He sent His holy precious Son to teach us all the way. Still we kill the unborn ones. It happens every day. You didn't make it, unborn child. They wouldn't let you be. They just expelled a blob of cells. It's the new morality.
Oh, look at the heart. Are they usually that fast?
At 4 weeks, your embryo is about the size of a poppy seed. At 5 weeks, your baby is now the size of a sesame seed and has a head, front, back, and a tail that later gets absorbed. At 6 weeks, your baby is the size of a lentil, and tiny arms and legs are emerging as buds. The tail is being absorbed. At 7 weeks, your baby is the size of a blueberry and looks like a tadpole. The arms will emerge in a week and look more human. At 8 weeks, your baby is the size of a kidney bean. The eyes and nose are forming, and the toes and fingers are webbed.
And then let me show you the heart rate here. Whoa. Nice. 169.
At 9 weeks, your baby is the size of a grape. The tail is gone, and the heart has formed 4 chambers, and the valves are developing. At 11 weeks, your baby is now 1.5 inches long and can bend his arms and legs, but the kicks are too soft for you to feel. The elongated head is nearly 1/2 of the body's length. At 13 weeks, your baby is 3 inches long, weighs 1 ounce, and is the size of an egg. Most of the body systems are in place, and the fingerprints are beginning to form. At 16 weeks, your baby is 4 ounces and the size of an avocado. The spleen is making red blood cells, and the heart pumps 25 quarts per day. At 20 weeks, your baby is now about 10 ounces and as big as a large banana. The heart beats 140 beats per minute, the 5 senses are developing in the brain, and the teeth are beginning to appear. At 24 weeks, your baby is 1.5 pounds, as big as an ear of corn, and gaining 5 to 6 ounces per week. Facial features are distinct, and there are new tiny blood vessels in the lungs. At 28 weeks, your baby is 2.25 pounds and 15 inches long. The eyes are blinking and have some color. At 32 weeks, your baby is 3.5 to 4 pounds, 16 inches long, and is practicing sucking, kicking, swallowing, and breathing. He's gaining 1/3 pound per week. At 36 weeks, your baby is about 6 pounds and 18 inches long. Fat has smoothed out the skin, and the bones have hardened. It's now all about weight gain. A full-term baby at 40 weeks weighs from 6 to 9 pounds and is 19 to 22 inches long. The brain has been growing fast and will continue to for the next 3 years.